What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Man, I went on a little drive over 100 miles away from home. Y'all been asking for it, so I am here out in Cabazon. Let's go see what's up. The golden rule is get to the outlets early. They just opened up like 3 minutes ago, so I'm literally running over there. Dang, it's windy as hell. All right, let's go. Let's go. Not the biggest outlet. I've seen some dope stuff here a while back. I used to have a heat wall here. That was like years ago. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, I don't really see any discounts. No discounts. All right, size 10s, I believe. Oh, 9.5, 10. All right, let's go get started. All right, I did do a quick walkthrough, especially because I'm just not familiar with this spot. I haven't been here too many times. $85 for these Jordan 36 lows. This is a 9.5. Got some flights right here. Oh, liftoffs. My bad, liftoffs going for retail. This is not the greatest start. Kill shot 2 leathers going for 85. That's size 7 out here. These LeBrons, there's no way these are going for retail. Come on now. That is an 8.5. Damn, I was all excited to come here, man. Not really finding much. $60 for Pegasus Trail 2s. These are a size 11. I got another one right here. Trail 3s go for 70. Why would you get that one? Oh, it's cheaper. Why not 0.5s go for $100? I'm so sad that Westbrook got traded. I don't know. I think I'm the only one though, man. I don't know why everybody's hating on that fool, but yeah. Got some Air Max 9s. Got some Air Max 90 Golf. I don't think I've seen these. Okay. Pretty much the same. Just treads a little different. I wonder if the tread would probably last a little bit longer, right? But it is retail, size 9.5. Size 11.5 right here. All black. Air Max 97s go for 140. Got a white and black one, or black and white one go for. Damn, dude, we've been seeing these at sale, like even at the retail shops. What the hell? Damn, I haven't seen these in a while, man. These were like widely available, then they're gone. Just gone. Just have some faux, probably faux suede. And then, okay. All glow material. Glow in the dark, that is. These were lows too. They were lows. Size 13 retail. Got another one right here. That was it for the big size, man. All right, let's go check out the small. This might be quick. They were even restocking. They were just some regular things, nothing too crazy. Let's see what these Lucas is going for. Did grab one of these, $90. No extra discounts. I got it for way cheaper. Got a size, that was a 9.5. There's a size 9 too. I guess it wasn't way cheaper. It was 90. I just got that 20% off on top. Got some 37s right here. Got that same Atom knit that they had on the running shoes. Make it extra light. Someone busted through these though, right? And then an NBA, I believe. That's size 8 retail. 10.5 trainers right here. Got some Jordan 1 retro cleats. These are pretty dope. And definitely a Jordan 1 mid, upper, and then dude got. I would hope the midsole and stuff is a little different, right? Like, oh, okay, it's like lunar lawn, so okay, feels like lunar lawn at least. Okay, but yeah, dude got some cleats. These are for baseball, right? Air Max 97s retail. Is that Big Pun in the background? Yeah, I'm a big fan, dude. This song still hits, man. Damn, so far the best thing's been the music, dude. Like, these sneakers been pretty whatever. If y'all are still watching, y'all are fans. Appreciate it. All right, let's go check out the aisles, I guess. I guess before the aisles, we can check what I'm wearing. Did throw on some Jordan 1. These are some Jordan 1 high zooms. They got the Air Strobel unit inside. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. And then I am wearing, I think I got this hoodie for like $10 at like Walmart. But it is a Lakers hoodie, so you know, I have to cop. Y'all ever get that? Like y'all are excited to go somewhere and then you get there and it's like, whatever, like extra mediocre. All right, dude got some Air Force One mids right here. Holy cow, everything's going for retail, man. What the hell? Air Force One Reacts does have React inside. Slightly better leather too. It's like inside out as well. It's an interesting design. Air Force One Mid React. Got some all reds. Got some olive accents on this one. The Moabs. Hirachis. Another one of those. Another Hirachi. Blazer Vintage. Another one of those. I'm like, do they got any sales on anything? Like, they got a couple t-shirts and stuff. Even the clearance clothing section, nothing. Damn. All right, back to the aisle. Soldier 14s. Can I even say Soldier? Soldier 14s again. Some Joe Burrows right here. Going for $60. Good Lord. Trey 5s. These are the 9th version. Another one of those. All right, they got a ton of Nike basketball. Man, I'm not going to sit here and go over all of these, especially since the prices are pretty mediocre. Fly traps for $50, that's not bad. Of course, they got the Witness 6s. Pretty much all going for $80. Immortalities, got a ton of those. Do got some Cosmic Unities. Another colorway right there. Jordan Air Cadence. Delta 3 Lows. Air 200s. Hydro 6s. That might be one of the better deals here, to be honest. Normally, I think $50 for MSRP. All right, they do got some Air Maxes, Air Max 97s. These are one of the dope ones. This reminds me of that little Nas X one where they had all the blood. Not all of it, but probably watered down, I don't know. But that's a pretty dope colorway. Does have, looks like a metallic material underneath. Obviously it isn't, but yeah, that looks dope. Getting a ton of Air Max 97s. This is the cheapest one right here. Another one with the discount. And then like a Raiders colorway. I think I have one very similar to this. Does have yellow accents, so I got mine for like $40 though. Tons of Air Max 95s. Another one of those. Air Max 90 Gore-Tex. Hera Escapes. Another one of those. 2090s. People digging these? I don't know. Price keeps going down though. Air Max 2017s. Dude got another one right there. Got a trio of them. Dude got the Monarchs. And they're still pretty mediocre. All right, apparently I am in the generic section now. Got a lot of generic mediocrity here. Just see a lot of foreigners here, a lot of Asians. That tells you right here, look, even has it written in Chinese right there and right there. It's just how it is with the outlet malls, I believe. All the Asians I've seen are Korean today though. All right, let's look at the kids section, I guess, right? Look at the kids. This is the entire kids clearance section. The grade school, it's just these two little sections right here. Wow, not seeing much. Not seeing much. All right, apparently there wasn't that much to show you. Jordan Max, Auras, Zion 1s, Forces. Wow, that was it for the grade school. All this preschool, toddlers. Oh wait, they do got some grade school here, but nothing hot though. Nothing hot. Look, all this generic stuff. The Star Runners. I don't even know the name of these. Was the Air Zoom Arcadia 2s? Holy cow. God dang, I drove 120 miles for this? Really? Dang. And like I said, man, all the clear stuff. No extra discounts, dude. But like, are the prices even any good though? I doubt it. I doubt it. That man, stuff ain't even got price tags on. What the hell? Yeah, $1.20. Yeah, like retail for these blank jerseys. Oh no, this is Devin Booker jersey. My bad, I thought it was blank. Devin Booker jerseys going for retail though. Really? Really? Wow. All right, I did pick that up by the way, for the record. And 7 hoodie right here, camo hoodie, so fools can't even see you. $50. Normally 70. That's actually pretty dope. Still high though, $50. I don't think I've paid $50 for a hoodie in a while. I'm saying that while I'm wearing my $10 hoodie. Walmart hoodie, that's hilarious. Damn, just like this is still going for oh this doesn't even have a price tag. I'm pretty sure it's retail. Simmons shirts, this fool stuck at Brooklyn all by himself now. $35 for this. God dang, the NBA trade deadline was nuts. Did Lakers get better? I don't know. But this is Giannis's logo, right? Is this Giannis's logo? I think so. It's going for $85. Double XL though. Is it? I don't know if that's his logo. I don't know why I'm tripping. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's his logo. Double XL. Damn, dude, prices is crazy today, man. Nike SB sweatshirt. Not even a hoodie though. Man, that Nike SB quality, man. Y'all saw me get that hoodie. I think it's such great quality compared to most of the Nike stuff. Man, just not finding much, yo. Got these shorts right here. These short, $100 for these shorts though. Holy crap, they are soft, but $100. Good lord. Got some sweats here, going for $50. All right, man. I'm searching for steals, searching for deals, searching for anything of good value. Dude got shorts going for $25. These are going for 15. These are hella thin though, hella thin. Wear that to the club, gentleman's club. Is it really gentlemen that show up to those clubs? Like why do they call it the gentleman's club? That's funny. Yeah, this might be like a 9-minute vlog, man. Like I always try to get at least 12, 13 minutes. All right, let's go check out the women's section, man. We gotta search, yo. So the women's clearance section from right here, and it goes to right there. So not the biggest. Got some in Vapor Max next percents. Size 9.5 retail. And these extra generic things right here. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah. Air Max 97s. $120 size 7. Some fluffy burros. Retail size 7. Air Max 270s. Air Max 97s. 5.5 going for $175. Dang, dude. Alright, we're checking out the aisles and we're out, dude. Air Max 97s. Okay, at least it's a slight discount. I think this is the same one that we saw in the clearance section, right? Blazers. More Blazers. These are the platform though. Prestos going for regular price. Some Air Max 2017s. That's a weird color combo right there. We've seen this one a gazillion times. Air Max 90s right here. And then all generic things right here. Oh my god, man. And I was losing my breath. Y'all saw me running out here and then they present all this generic stuff. I think the malls might be better, dude. Dang, dude. Oh, I did forget to mention, I did check the back a couple times to see if they had any heat carts or anything. No, that's it, man. We out. On to the next spot, man. On to the next spot. God dang, it is windy as hell. All right, that's pretty much about it, dude. I'm gonna be hitting up some malls because that trip was definitely not worth it. I had to be in the area. That's kind of why I headed here. I had to drive another 50 miles back and forth, or over 50 miles back and forth. So, I figured I'd check for you guys. I tried, but Nike outlets kind of mediocre right now. Kind of mediocre. So yeah, we're gonna hit up some malls. We're gonna hit up some other spots. I'm gonna hit up Redlands too, but we're gonna hit up some malls and stuff like that later on, and we'll see what we find. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Oh, there is Adidas. Maybe I should try Adidas. Yeah, Adidas probably got better deals. Adidas and Under Armour. Oh, let's go. So we're driving hella far for this visit. Is it just me or does it irritate me? Like all these people in the fast lane, there's all this room on the right. They're not going that fast, and like they're just chilling in the fast lane. What the hell, dude? What the hell, man? Learn how to drive, fool.